my dear traders. I have done my first trade. I'm going to explain here how I took the trade, why I took the trade, what is the profit, why I have exited. Everything I am going to discuss in this video. I am using order flow charts to take the trades nowadays. If you are new to this channel, I am using CPR pivot points and the order flow charts to take the trade. This is the profit I have earned on my first trade, 1864 rupees. So let's get into the video. What is the reason behind taking the trade, where I took the trade, what is the reason behind it, everything will be discussed here. So let's get started. Okay, this is the spot chart of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So the first thing here is both the indices are taking support from the CPR. You can see the first 5-minute candle is taking support from the CPR, as well as in Bank Nifty also it is taking support from the CPR. So when it is showing such bullishness, what I actually do is I'll go to this order flow charts, okay, and check out whether it is giving you the right signal or not. Okay, so the first order flow is something like this. It is not showing really very good conviction for me, even though it is showing ATST in the futures chart. Can you see this is the futures chart, okay, of Nifty and Bank Nifty? Same like Nifty spot chart, Bank Nifty chart also showing the candle taking support at the CPR. So this is a very good sign for the big movement coming up. This is a signal. So what my thought process is this. So I would like to see the order flow, whether the order flow is telling you the move is right or wrong. Okay, so this order flow doesn't show any conviction for me. Even though it is taking support from good supports, I don't have conviction to take the trade at the first 5-minute candle, because there is so many imbalance in both the sides. For me to take the trade, I should have a imbalance in the side of buyers, because I would like to take the trade in the buy way. Why I am seeing this order flow is actually the trend of Nifty and Bank Nifty is downtrend. So whenever you are taking the trades against the trend, you should have the strong conviction to take the trend. So, and see here, this is the second candle. Let me show you my spot chart. It will be very easy for you to understand. So the second candle is this, okay, which is also a bullish candle. I have a conviction that when both the CPRs are giving support to the price, I have a strong conviction the price is moving up. I am waiting for the order flow to give the signal, and this candle gave the signal. Let me show you how it gave the signal. Okay, how it gave the signal in the sense, there are so many imbalances on the buyer side. If you are new to this concept, I have done a video on especially on the basics of order flow, the delta, the imbalances, the point of control. I have done an exclusive video on that. I am going to give the link in the description. First watch that video and then come back to this video. Then only you will understand what I am saying to you. So see here, there are so many imbalances for me, which is a strong confirmation for me. You can see the delta also very positive. So now I am interested to take the trade. Same, I have checked the order flow for the Nifty also. Let me show you that also. So the order flow for Nifty, you can see there are many volume clusters here. This is another concept. Once you understand and learn about the complete concepts of order flow trading, you will be able to decode the price action in the charts with more conviction. Earlier you have 40-50% confirmation as per your knowledge. After learning this order flow, you are going to get 80% conviction, more conviction. So in this candle I am very interested to take the trade. Now the question is, they are really showing such a good moves, but where should I enter the trade? This is the question. At this point of time I feel bad about missing this good move, but later I realized that you should have the strong conviction to take the trade. For just taking the trade, you should not come to the markets. So again I just bounce back with my self talk that this is the right thing I have to do. Now the order flow has given me the signal to take the trade, so I have waited for another opportunity to take the trade, because this is such a big movement. This is my expectation, it is going to have some good moment, so I am waiting to take the trade. Now you can see at 9:25 candle close, this bank nifty is giving you previous day high and R1 breakout. So at the same time the price here also closed above the R2, which is really a good sign for me to take the risk here. I am telling you, I am taking the risk, I am not taking the trade. Why? Because here already a big move has happened, but a strong conviction with the order flow as well as the knowledge of CPR system told me to take the trade. So you can see here, after the close of this candle I took a trade at this candle. At the opening of somewhere here I took the trade somewhere here, and I thought like if the price closes below this pivot I am going to close my trade. So I just took the risk and I have exited somewhere in this candle. Why I have exited? This is the question now. So before explaining why I have exited, let's go to the order flow and see how the order flow is going from here till here in Nifty. Okay, this is the Nifty order flow. So once the candle, which candle is that? Once the opening of 9:30 candle, 9:30 candle, okay, this is the candle I am taking the trade. Why? Because there is imbalances here and the price closes above R2 in both futures and option spot chart with good delta. Even though it is showing some imbalance in this side, I am not afraid. Why? Because there are so many volume clusters here which could act as supports for the price to take. So at this moment this is the right time to take the risk. So I have entered here. The second candle is a neutral candle with some negative delta, but the knowledge of CPR pivot points backing up me that okay, you can stay in the market. Whenever I am seeing my MTM also, it is not really frustrating or making me feel tense. It is just like good. Following the MTM also you can understand whether it is going in your direction or not. So that MTM also showing me okay, this is going to work out in your direction. So you can see here the delta is positive, the imbalance is in the this side, the imbalance is buying side. So this is a good sign for me to take the trade. Once the price closes above this, so I would like to exit the trade. Where I have to exit the trade, I should find it. Number one option is R3 or any other support or resistance. So what I feel is I have to exit in this candle. In this candle. Why? Because I can tell you the reason here. This is a strong supply zone here. If I would have waited for some more time without exiting in this candle, see, it is rejecting from that point. Actually the MTM showed 2500 per lot, but during the execution, market order execution, it has reduced to 1900 around, 1800 change around. So if I would have waited for the price to reach this level, you can see the candle is red candle. There may be chances to bounce back in this area, or it come back to my entry position. So what I would like to do all the time is I would like to trade the certain. So I feel like this is a sure profit for me, let me exit. You can also see here, if at all you haven't exit, you don't know this logic, you can exit once the bank nifty reaches this level, 48,633 level on 950 opening candle. Why? Because most of the time when the price closes above previous day low and R1, it has the tendency to reach R2. So once it reached, okay, already the move is stretched and you are in profits. There may be chance to reach the next pivot, or it will come to your entry position. So at 950 candle also, with this logic, you can exit the trade. If you don't know this supply zone, you can exit after this 950 opening candle. So this is the logic behind taking the trade. My experience is just swallow some drops from the ocean of the market, not try to swallow the ocean itself on a single day. There may be those days like that, but you need to have strong conviction as well as experience to stay in the market. If you are feeling uneasy, or there are some strong supports or resistances near you, just exit the trade like me. So this is all about the trade today. Thank you so much, and I would like to show you one thing here. Just a moment. So I would like to show you the order flow video I have done, as I have discussed about this. This is the video, order flow video I have done yesterday. Just watch this video and again rewatch this video to get best knowledge about order flow. And I'm offering you a course on complete understanding of the order flow. If you want to take the course, you can have the link in the description of this video. See, this is, if you click on this, you can purchase the complete order flow strategies. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.